Do you love Italy but hate feeling stuck with Italian? Do you wish you could join conversations with Italian family, friends, and locals, but freeze up or feel frustrated when you try? I feel you because I was you. I'm Maria, and even with my Italian dad and the Italian American traditions I grew up with, I often felt like an outsider, straining to join in, trying to understand everything, awkwardly smiling at jokes I didn't get, and feeling completely invisible. For years, I've been helping people with Italian families, whether through heritage or marriage, gain confidence in speaking Italian, join conversations, and finally feel like they truly belong both at home and in Italy.
There's nothing I love more than feeling at home when I go to Italy. It's a part of who I am.
Through this channel, I'm going to help you speak Italian naturally with your family, friends, and locals, so you're no longer on the sidelines. You'll learn how to start and keep conversations, master pronunciation so you're understood, follow the jokes, and use the words Italians really say every day so you can finally join in, laugh, and connect. If you're ready to stop feeling invisible and start connecting in Italian, click subscribe now.
Non vedo l'ora di insegnarti. I can't wait to teach you.